School vocabulary. Classroom. Library. Computer lab. Art room. Science lab. Music room. Sports field. Auditorium. Gymnasium. Playground. Cafeteria. Restroom. Principal's office. Teacher's lounge. Schoolyard. Hallway. Locker room. Nurse's office. Assembly hall. Parking lot. Desk. Chair. Teacher's desk. Blackboard. Whiteboard. Bookshelf. Cupboard. Smartboard. Bulletin board. Locker. Clock. Projector. Screen. Globe. Map. Trash can. Recycling bin. Notebook. Window. Door. Light switch. Textbook. Pen. Pencil. Eraser. Sharpener. Ruler. Workbook. Protractor. Compass. Calculator. Crayons. Colored pencils. Markers. Chalk. Paintbrush. Scissors. Glue stick. Highlighter. Paints. Tape. Binder. Stapler. Paper clips. Folder. Hole puncher. Index cards. Backpack. Lunchbox. Sticky notes. Student. Teacher. Vice principal. Librarian. Counselor. Principal. Secretary. School nurse. Janitor. Art teacher. Science teacher. Coach. Music teacher. Substitute teacher. Homework. Chalk dust. Bell. Report card. Exam paper. Notice board. Trophy case. School uniform. Diploma. Student ID card. Graduation cap.